Hi, in this fourth video in our series of Todoist for beginners, we're going to be looking at filters and labels. So as we're progressing, I'm going to introduce you to a bit slightly more sophisticated features, but we're still just using the features of the free version, which has certain limitations also in the number of projects you can do, and you don't have sophisticated filters and other things. But to get started, I really recommend you to start with the free version, because that will also allow you to focus on the essential features, see if the program actually works for you before you start to go into subscription things, to go into the more advanced features and actually start to get lost in the program. So this is the view I would recommend beginners to start with, and as you go you may modify the system, but this is really a start which builds on good practices I've been collecting from different sources. Okay, so you have this view which is an inbox view with today, this week, next week, this quarter, and someday. Now let's assume that I did publish this blog post, so I will say that it disappears. Now, because we're going to be working with filters and labels, I have these two setups. We have the default, which is filters by priority, and I have set up some labels which I say this week, next week, this quarter, and someday. So I'm using labels to give me some temporality when I need to do it, because I'm going to be working with projects and areas. So I'm going to be using these later. You do not need these labels if you're just working with the inbox and you're covering your this week, next week, this quarter, someday, just with the inbox. So to be able to use this function of priority, it would be good if the tasks that are here are somewhat prioritized. Okay, so I'm going to prioritize a few of these tasks, not all. For example, buy gas is a where's my priority here? It's a priority 3. And then create a mini course. This is would be actually good. This would be a priority 2. It's not top priority, because if I don't do it, it's not too bad. Publish video 5 is absolute top priority. I absolutely need to do this. Update targeting is important, but if it's not updated, it's not too bad. Script for video 5, this is obviously essential. Okay, then follow up with John is priority 2. Follow up call Sophie is actually priority 3, it doesn't matter. And follow up with Steve, this is priority 2. File my taxes needs to get done. I cannot avoid it, so it's a top thing. And visit Malta, I have no priority for this. So now that we've prioritized these tasks, we can go in and look at filters and labels. So now I want to see only my priority 1 tasks. So these are my priority 1 tasks, and I can group by due date. Okay, so which means that I have now by Friday I publish video 5, which is a top priority, and I have 2 which have no due date. Now this does not really work, because this should be done on a different date, so I need to have the script clearly before, so I need to look at the date. So this would be done here. Okay, so now you see that I looked at my priority 1 items. I saw that the script for video 5 was actually not scheduled, but if I want to get the video published by Friday, I need to have the script done by Thursday. So if I go back to my inbox view, now you see that the publishing of the video is on Thursday, so I can regroup these. Say, let's move these top here. Now this is down. So now suddenly I have a the prioritizing allows me to look at my view, and now the view is prioritized. Okay. Now here, this is actually the wrong sequence. So now it's better. Okay. So I have these today. I have the script so today I have no high priority left. I have 2 high priority left for the week, and FileMan taxes is a high priority, but it's only this quarter. And if I wanted to do it again, look at what is priority 2. I have priority 2 items which are scheduled, and I have these priority 2 items that are not scheduled, which is not too bad, because I still have the view of where things need to happen here. So that's enough for this video. In the next video we will be looking at the part with the projects, where we're looking at areas and projects. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.